The Champ de Mars is a large public green space in Paris, France, located in the 7th arrondissement, between the Eiffel Tower to the northwest and the École Militaire to the southeast. The park is named after the Campus Martius in Rome, a tribute to the Latin name of the Roman god of war. The name also alludes to the fact that the lawns here were formerly used as drilling and marching grounds by the French military. The nearest metro stations are La Motte Piquet Grenelle, École Militaire, and Champ de Mars Tour Eiffel, an RER suburban commuter railway station. A disused station, Champ de Mars, is also nearby. Originally, the Champ de Mars was part of a large flat open area called Grenelle, which was reserved for market gardening. Citizens would claim small plots and exploit them by growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers for the local market. However, the plain of Grenelle was not an especially fertile place for farming. The construction, in 1765, of the École Militaire designed by Henri-Jacques Gabriel, was the first step toward the Champ de Mars in its present form. Grounds for military drills were originally planned for an area south of the school, the current location of the Place de Fontenoy. The choice to build an esplanade to the north of the school led to the erection of the noble façade which today encloses the Champ de Mars. The planners leveled the ground, surrounded it with a large ditch and a long avenue of elms, and, as a final touch, the esplanade was enclosed by a fine grille-work fence. The Isle of Swans, formerly a riverine islet at the location of the northeastern foot of the Eiffel Tower, was, for the sake of symmetry and pleasing perspectives, attached to the shore. Jacques Charles and the Robert brothers launched the world's first hydrogen-filled balloon from the Champ de Mars on August 27, 1783. This place witnessed the spectacle and pageantry of some of the most well-remembered festivals of the French Revolution. On July 14, 1790, the first Federation Day celebration, now known as Bastille Day, was held on the Champ de Mars, exactly 1 year after the storming of the prison. The following year, on July 17, 1791, the massacre on the Champ de Mars took place. Jean-Sylvain Bailly, the first mayor of Paris, became a victim of his own revolution and was guillotined there on 12 November 1793. The Champ de Mars was also the site of the Festival of the Supreme Being on June 8, 1794, with a design by the painter Jacques-Louis David. A massive altar of the nation was built atop an artificial mountain and surmounted by a tree of liberty. The festival is regarded as the most successful of its type in the Revolution. The Champ de Mars was the site of expositions universals in 1867, 1878, 1889, 1900, and 1937. Visual history. Illustration of Massacre on the Champ de Mars, 1791. Painting of the Festival of the Supreme Being, June 8, 1794. Illustration of Fête de la Concorde, May 21, 1848. Photograph of Exposition Universelle, 1867. Panoramic view of Exposition Universelle, 1878. View of Exposition Universelle, 1889. Illustration of Exposition Universelle, 1900. Champ de Mars at night. Champ de Mars, view from the Montparnasse Tower. At Culture and Film. Art and Culture. In 2012, the United Buddy Bears exhibit was held on the Champ de Mars, an international art exhibition with more than 142-meter-tall bears representing individual countries. They promote peace, love, tolerance and international understanding and are displayed across the planet. They stand at Champ de Mars in Paris, fronting the Eiffel Tower. Use in film and television. Champ de Mars was used as a filming location in the 1985 James Bond film A View to a Kill, in which Bond drove a Renault 11 taxi which he had hijacked at the Eiffel Tower in pursuit of a mysterious assassin later revealed to be Mayday.